So what is up, YouTube? It is your girl DiOR, and I'm back with more.
What you gonna do with them? What you gonna do with me? Pop off, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah. Rockin' Louis V clothes, I got ice cream stone.
So I just want to say first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Danny. I like to eat, do my hair, and get cute to go nowhere. So today, as you can tell, it's another hair tutorial. I know you're probably tired because you're like, girl, what is you doing? But I love doing hair, my hair especially. Due to corona, I can't really get to practice my craft as much as I want to, but it's okay. I'm gonna just take what I got and do it to the best of my ability. Ideally, I did want a silk press because May 29th makes 2 years since I cut my natural hair in my big chop. So I didn't want a silk press, but I'll show it to y'all blow dried because I'm pretty sure that between the 17th and the 29th, it's not gonna grow that much different. So this is my hair blow dried. Look like I'm a part of the Jackson 5, but yeah, this is my hair, y'all. Looking very much voluminous and healthy. Only part of my hair I say is probably a little bit damaged is the blonde part, but even so, it still can curl up, and I don't have any split ends. So let's start. Okay, so this is not meant to be a tutorial or anything, but still, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using. So to achieve this style, you need braiding hair, of course. Some people don't like expressions because it gets too tangly, and that is true, but I definitely prefer expressions hair because it's literally like what, 7 feet of hair. If you cut it, well, you cut it in half, it's about 3.5 feet, but the hair lasts long. You can wash it, like you can wash your natural hair with it. So that's why I like expressions 84 inch, but you can get whatever hair you desire. Some people like the Kanika line, but I got 5 packs of the expressions in color 1B. In color 1B, even though this part is brown, I'm still gonna make it work and stuff it. I'm gonna cut these in hair, so really this is about 10 packs of hair, so this should be good. Of course, you're gonna need a rat tail comb to part your hair, ladies. Some form of grease. You can either use this or beeswax. I prefer gem because it's just easier, and beeswax tends to get in the way. Coarse edge control for the finished product, and this isn't mandatory, but a wax stick just to lay down any flyaways. Okay, so y'all, this is my first attempt with the weave. My edges got messed up, but I mean, for the most part, it's cool. Of course, I'm gonna take it out and redo it and retry because I don't like the way, like, it's skinny. Like, looking at it, cool. I'm gonna do some feed-ins, y'all. I keep changing up my hair, like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I really want some pop smoke braids though. I already started. Okay, I'm gonna braid this all the way down and see how I feel. I'm not even gonna add no more hair in because I'm 9 times out of 10 I'm probably gonna take it out, but I need to learn, so I don't mind doing it 10,000 times. But it's just like, dang, bro, like, I forgot how hard it was to learn something. My bank account, in my opinion, the version with Beyonce sucks. Like, I know I can't be the only one that think that. Carol Baskin, what? Okay, I'm not gonna braid all the way down, but this is the braid so far, and y'all, I'm feeling myself. I don't know why I did this long, but they're past. Okay, boom. So they go past my knees. I was gonna put beads on the end, but now that I see they're so long, I'm really starting to like not want to do it anymore. But so So far so good. My first attempt looked better than I expected. They're tight but not too tight, so that's good. Yeah, we're just gonna do it all the way back and see how it looks. So this is how my hair looks after one half of my head is done. Don't beat me up, y'all. This is my first time and I feel like I just feel it in my heart that the back is like not spaced correctly. But guess what? Guess we're not gonna redo it. But I was gonna put some beads on it, but for some reason the beads that I used to wear in my hair 10 years ago is no longer in my room. So if I don't get any tomorrow, I'll just leave it like this. But this is how long they are, y'all. Like long AF. So maybe I don't need beads. Maybe when I, spruce my edges up, then I'll be fine. But this is how it's looking. I don't know, this weird space right here. I'm feeling like I should redo it, but I don't know. Okay, so this is not the finished product, of course, but I'm done braiding my hair. Yes, y'all, get into it. Gotta do my edges, gotta hot water it, trim it down, all that. I was gonna redo the back, but I'm too lazy. honey, period. Please get into it. Y'all ain't even seeing the full length for real because it's so long, y'all. Like, it literally goes past my kneecaps. Even if I stand on this, you still can see it in the full frame. Anyway, but this is the complete look. Overall, I like the style. I mean, this is my first time doing this style or feedings in general on myself. So, I mean, of course it could be done better, but for the most part, I think I did fantastical for my first time. The back looks like crap. Y'all expect that from me from now on. I couldn't see the back. I did the best I could, and I didn't ask for no help. I probably should have, but I'm too lazy. But yeah, overall the style probably, to be honest, I wasn't keeping track, but probably about 4 hours, like with everything, hot water and mousse, all that. So probably about 4 hours, like 3 to 4. But yeah, I redid a couple braids, so 3 to 4 hours. I like this style, and the thing I love most about it is that, like, I could easily oil my scalp. I know I love oiling my scalp, but I like it. It's really long, and I was gonna put some beads on it, but I have to buy them tomorrow, so we'll see how I feel. But yeah, y'all, this wraps it up for the video. But I had to show y'all the length. I just have to. I don't even know if that's good enough, but y'all see this. Mind y'all, I'm 5'6", 5'5", 5'6", and these past my kneecaps, so these are probably like 4 feet long. But that's my fault for braiding them and stretching them out this long. Which I know I love me some long hair, okay, period. But yeah, if you guys want some more hair videos or any requests, y'all let me know in my y'all wish is my command. But that wraps it up for this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. Bye, DiOR Dynasty.